How to animate AI movies 100% free. We are not using Grok here. We are not using Google Flow. This is an entirely new AI tool. I'm not talking about ordinary AI movies. I'm talking about dialogue AI movies whereby one character is talking, another character is responding, and we are going to do everything on the phone.
Amina, what is this?
I've never seen that paper before.
Amina, did you just steal exam questions to cheat in my exam?
I don't know how this got here.
Shut up! I am very disappointed in you. She's the one who cheated.
I didn't do anything.
I believe you.
Do not worry, Amina. I will find out who is trying to set you up.
Planting that answer sheet was too easy, and everyone blamed Amina.
Toby planned all this, and I recorded everything.
Wait, let me explain.
Here is Amina. She is accused of cheating in exams.
After reviewing the evidence,
Now, these videos, you can post them on social media, YouTube, TikTok, and they great revenue for their producers, for their creators. You can see lots of them here. Hi, my name is Jane. Welcome back to Everyday AI with Jane, where I teach you how to create everything with AI, from movies to songs, you name it, with the aim of posting to your social media and generating revenue for yourself. The very first thing you're going to do when you want to create an AI video is, of course, you're going to create your prompt. Now, I know that this video might be for beginners, okay? So what I've done for you is I've created a prompt document, okay? In this document, you will just fill out all the different aspects. So you fill in all these aspects of what you want your story to be, the kind of story you want to create. If you have a story brief of what you think should happen in the story, just fill it in this portion right here. These documents are used to create all my AI movies, and my AI movies come out fantastically, okay? So if you want this document, just comment AI movie in the comments and I will send you a link to this document. So I have edited the document. You can see this one that I've edited now. I've told the title. I told the AI to decide the title. I said the setting is going to be in Lagos, Nigeria. The period is present. It's going to be a high school movie, okay? See here, it says copy from here. You just press down your button here and you select everything from here to the end of the prompt document. You can see where it says end of prompt document, so you press copy. Okay, please do not copy the first line that is in the document. This part is just telling you how to use the template, okay? You can either use ChatGPT or you use Gemini, anyone you want to use, and you come here and paste it. See, I've pasted it here. Okay, once you paste it here, your ChatGPT is going to answer you and tell you everything there, and it's going to prepare our character portrait prompts. That means all the actors in our movie, it's going to give us the prompts to create them, okay? Because the next thing it's going to do is going to give us our scene prompts. It's going to tell us the character and it's going to tell us, okay, what they are doing in this particular aspect of the film. For each scene prompt, it gives us a scene animation prompt. You will now make that image to move with AI, okay? I'll tell ChatGPT to generate the images of all the characters in the story. Once you send that to ChatGPT, ChatGPT is going to create the image of all the characters in the movie. And we can see the characters, Amina Bello, Toby, Mrs. Okafor, and Tidima. Those are the 4 characters in this my short AI movie, because I want to do only a 1-minute AI movie, okay? So after we are done with that, we will now tell ChatGPT to use the character images that it has created for each scene and generate the scene image for scene one. You can see that. So if you look here, you can see this scene 1, this scene. So we want ChatGPT to generate the image for us. We don't want to stress ourselves. Okay. And this is the image for the scene 1. Okay, we can see some scripts on the floor. We can see again now, but that's where our story is supposed to start. Okay, so now let me tell it to create scene image 2. So what I'll do, because I've already written this one here before, so I'll just copy it, I'll paste it here, and I'll change it to scene 2. So you do this, it will generate, you tell it to generate scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. You know that how many are depending on the amount of scenes that are in your movie. For this my movie now, we can see that we have only 5 scenes. So we can see that scene 2 has been generated with Amina. It has maintained the likeness of Amina very easily. So now we are going to go back to this main prompt, this prompt that ChatGPT did for us. Since we already have our scene 2 image, we will copy our scene animation prompt for the scene 2. You can say we're in scene 2. Okay, so we have generated this image. We are going to copy the prompt and the dialogue. Dialogue means what they are saying, and we are going to copy it like this. Okay, copy it. Now we are going to open our browser and we are going to search for thank you AI. thankyouai.com is the tool we are going to use to animate the scenes in our movie. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign up. When you click start creating, to bring it out like this, you have to create sign up with any of your email addresses. So I'm going to sign up with this email address. So once you've signed in with thankyouai.com, you can see that they give you 100 free credits. Okay, so this means that if this 100 free credits finishes, you can just log in with another email. Okay, you can just keep logging in with different emails. So we're going to click this button here, and it's going to show us all the different AI models that are available that we can use to do our video. So we're going to look for the one that has the least, that uses the least amount of coins, and the one that uses the least amount of coins is Cdance 1.5 Pro. So we're going to select that one. You can see it's using 6 coins per second of generation. Now this Cdance 5, if you click here like this, you can see the resolution, I can see the ratio. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to change the ratio to 9:16 because we are doing this video for social media. I can see the images generated to were also in 9:16. Okay, so this one is done. So we'll come over here and select video. I'm going to click the plus icon and we're going to upload that scene 2 image that we generated. So the scene 2 image is here. Then you can remember the prompt that we took from ChatGPT that ChatGPT gave us for this scene. We're going to come over here and we are going to paste that prompt. You're going to explain to this AI tool who is Amina, who is the student. So Amina is the girl holding the books in front. So I'm going to put my arrow here and I'm going to put in a bracket, girl carrying books. So this one will be one of the students at the back. Whenever you're doing a dialogue scene, you must always explain to the AI who is saying what. So once you have done that, you have pasted your prompts like this, you're going to press the send button and it's going to start generating our video for us. Once the video is done, just go to history. You will see it here that the video is completed. Okay, so let's click it and see what it made for us.
She's the one who cheated.
I didn't do anything.
I believe you.
Can you see? So somebody said she's the one that cheated. So she said I didn't do anything, and her friend Chidima responded, I believe you. Okay, so you have done this scene. You're going to click this button here and it's going to download to your phone. So we'll do the same thing for the scene 3, scene 4, scene 5. Once you are done with that, you just go and download CapCut application. When you download your CapCut application, you click a new video. All those your scenes that you've generated, all of them, right? You add them all together and it will form a full video, and then you click this export button right here. So that's today's video. Make sure that you comment AI movie if you want that prompt in the comments. You can click either of these videos here and learn another thing you can create using free AI tools. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.